much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we have the Glitz Glam unboxing for July 2020. I'll leave my Glitz Glam box playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. I actually remembered to double the glam this time, and their customer service was super sweet because I went to go double the glam, and it kept giving me a shipping cost, and when you double the glam, shipping is free. So I commented on their post and said, hey, I thought shipping was free when you double the glam because it's telling me I have like $40 in shipping costs. And they're like, wait, that's wrong. IT is on it. I waited to hear back from them instead of just placing my order because they said to reach out to customer service, they'll reimburse me, but I just wanted to wait, which is one of the times I was actually patient because I can get very impatient. That's the Aries in me. So I actually waited and held off to hear the response, and they got it fixed, and I'm very excited because they had lashes on the double the glam. That's the main reason why I wanted it. I seriously can't do a look and not put on lashes these days, so I definitely have been getting a lot of use out of so many different pairs of lashes, so I can never have too many. Try to be productive and get some stuff done, but technical difficulties is saying no. So I'm gonna have to backtrack some of the unboxing because I'm not sure exactly when my camera shut off. The first item we have by JLASH. This is the ice cream lashes that retails for $8.99, and they are 3D faux pink lashes in the style sprinkled. I really like how cute this packaging is. It's a lash style that I have not personally used before because it looks like it goes thick, thin, thick, thin, thick, thin, because I really like the full lash style to make it look like I actually have lashes, since I have the most pitiful lashes there are. So like the more full, dramatic, and long lash styles are the ones that I gravitate towards. I really want to like create an inspired look based off this packaging and put on these lashes. I definitely am curious how these lashes are going to work out based off of the style. And now that I've gotten into lashes, I'm starting to get really picky with the lash band. I definitely prefer more of a sturdy band than like the more loosey-goosey bands. At least with the sturdy bands, I feel like I have good control on application, whereas if it's a looser band, I put it on my eyelid and then it likes to move around my lid, so I get glue everywhere, and then I'm there forever like adjusting the lashes to how I want them to look on the eyes. So just like a sturdier band has been a lot easier for me to learn and apply and consistently use lashes. The second item we have from Vermillion Cosmetics. This is a diamond matte and lip gloss duo that retails for $28. The lipstick shade is Eye Candy, and then the gloss is in the shade Top Coat. We have received Vermillion Cosmetics in the past from Glitz Glam. I really have enjoyed their products. I actually have a different lip duo from them that I really enjoy, so I want to be able to share one with you guys. The third product is by GLITZGLAMBOX. This is the Glitz Glitter Pop that retails for $9.99. This is in the shade Sweetest Hangover, and it's eye, lip, skin, and nail safe. I feel like I've gotten a decent amount of glitter lately, so I want to be able to share this with one of you guys as well. And then before my camera shut off, I was going to do some swatches. This is from the brand ITALIA DELUXE. This is the Buzzed and Blushed palette that retails for $9.99. I really like the packaging. It reminds me of margaritas. That is one of my drinks of choice, and this is what the inside looks like. We have 6 blushes right here. I like the variety of them, and let's swatch and see how they look. First 3 shades. Ooh, I like these. There's pigment all the way through. First 2 are matte. We have a beautiful peach and then a coral blush. And then this third one has more of a sheen to it, so it's going to be a little bit more satin blush. I really like how light it is. That way I can build it up to my liking. Glowy blushes is something that is new to me. I already go blush crazy from my man Jigsaw. Glowy blushes have always been a little scary for me. I just don't want to look greasy. Last 3 shades. Ooh, those are pretty. This shade I'm stoked about because it is a more satin glowy blush that I got in my Moon Prism palette from Lunar Beauty, and I was obsessed with that glowy blush shade. So I wonder if it's like a dupe or something very similar, closely related. That way I can use this one up first and preserve my Lunar Beauty one, because I'm literally obsessed with that shade. But I think that this blush palette had a nice variety of shades to it. We got some pinkier shades towards the end, and then we have like the the peach and coral shades at the beginning. But you can also double the glam to get the other blush palette variation. I'm just obsessed with blush and I could not pass up doubling the glam on them. And this is what the two blush palettes look like side by side. And now we'll do swatches side by side. First 3 shades. Ooh, so we have some more orangey blushes, and usually I'd be a little freaked out on some orange blushes, but I did do a full face using my least favorite color, which is orange, and I used orange blush, and very lightly it looks very pretty. So I'm not as terrified in writing them off as I typically would have. Last 3 shades. This one almost looks like a highlighter. Ooh, stunning. I think this shade right there is gonna be my favorite from this palette. Both of the blush palettes I'm super excited for. I'm just obsessed with blush. And these swatch really nice, and I hope that they translate well onto the cheeks. I think like the only really similar shades we got going on, maybe these corally ones, but I think that this one still pulls a little bit more orange, and then this one pulls a little bit more red. GLITZGLAMBOX I don't think was bad. Usually in GLITZGLAMBOX you get a pair of lashes and glitter, and then sometimes an eyeshadow palette, sometimes a blush palette, which was nice to see, and we usually get a lot of lip products as well. So it's a very well balanced box in my opinion, and for $15 I didn't think it was bad at all. I'm definitely excited for these lashes and this blush palette. I hope you guys are excited for the glitter and lip duo. I'm slowly building up for my next giveaway for you guys, and I believe in this one has my lashes that I added on. I might have went a little lash crazy over here. How could you resist? Like, look at this cute butterfly packaging. It's by JLASH as well. They have an A+ for packaging. We have this cute little ice cream and these butterflies. Hell yeah. So this is Ooh La La butterfly lashes, and we have the styles Jasmine and Flutter. I am obsessed with both of these. So right off the bat, I'm gravitated towards the style Jasmine. Like, those are my go-to style of lashes. Whereas Flutter reminds me of the sprinkle ones that we got earlier. Kind of how it goes, thickness, goes a little thin, thick, thin. So we'll definitely see how a style like Flutter and Sprinkle works out, because Jasmine is usually my go-to. And then we have Butterfly Effect lashes. Ooh, I like both of these right here. Daisy and Sunshine. They look very similar to each other, but it looks like Daisy is kind of even throughout the lash, whereas Sunshine, it goes thin to thick, which I really like the thin to thick ones. Lashes in itself already like complete the look, but the lashes that go like thin to thick, I think it just takes it up just a little bit more of a notch in the look. And then Fly Like Butterfly lashes is the last style. Ooh, we have Lily and Dreamy. Lily looks super wispy. Like, I love the wispy styles, but this is like wispy. Dreamy, it's kind of like a hybrid. Like, it looks like it wants to be full, but there's also like in between ones that are very thin. The Fly Like Butterfly lashes are 2 styles that I know I haven't used before, and I'm very excited to see how they work in my looks. So out of all 7 pairs of lashes that I got in Glitz Glam, I think that style Jasmine is the one that I'm gonna probably use first, because it's like my go-to style, and then just kind of work my way through there. I'm excited. I never thought I would go out of my way to buy some lashes. 7 pairs of lashes. I think I'm gonna be stocked for a while, but who knows? Every look that I've been creating calls for lashes. I would love to know if you guys get Glitz Glam. Were there any variations in the ice cream lashes or the lip duo? I would love to know how everything worked out for you. What was your favorite product and what was your least favorite product? And are you guys looking forward to August's box? Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.